NASA is taking the search for alien life seriously, even within our own solar system. On Monday, the agency launched a spacecraft aboard a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket, headed toward Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Scientists believe Europa has a vast saltwater ocean hidden beneath its icy surface, containing twice as much water as Earth's oceans. This makes Europa one of the most promising places in the solar system to search for active extraterrestrial life. Europa, as captured by NASA's Galileo spacecraft in the late 1990s. NASA's mission, called Europa Clipper, is designed to determine whether this distant moon and its subsurface ocean could support life. It's the largest interplanetary spacecraft NASA has ever built, standing about 16 feet tall and, when its enormous solar arrays are extended 100 feet wide, the probe weighs 3.5 tons. Clipper represents the first dedicated exploration of an ocean world beyond Earth. Even if Europa does not harbor life, the mission is vital to the broader search for alien life, as ocean worlds throughout the galaxy are prime candidates for life. Missions like Europa Clipper are described as modern cathedrals and generational quests, according to Lori Leshin, director of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which built the spacecraft. We scientists have been dreaming about a mission like Europa Clipper for over 20 years. We've been building it for a decade, Leshin said during a September briefing. It will be another 10 years because Jupiter is so far away before we gather all the science we need. The spacecraft has a long journey ahead, 1.8 billion miles to reach Jupiter, receiving a gravitational boost from Mars along the way. It is scheduled to arrive by April 2030. Life can exist without sunlight, as seen in Earth's deep ocean. All that's needed is an energy source such as hydrothermal vents releasing heat from within the planet, and organic molecules containing key elements like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and hydrogen. Europa Clipper is equipped with 9 scientific instruments designed to search for signs of these molecules, measure the ocean's salinity and depth, and capture images of Europa's surface with stunning resolution, down to just 1 meter. Clipper isn't specifically looking for life itself, but it will assess whether Europa could support life, explained Gina DiBraccio, acting director of NASA's Planetary Science Division, during the briefing. The mission will orbit Jupiter and pass by Europa 49 times, each flyby capturing a different section of the moon, eventually covering nearly the entire surface from pole to pole. The spacecraft will fly as low as 16 miles above Europa's surface. This ambitious mission is a feat of engineering. Navigating around Jupiter's large moons transforms the challenge from a typical 3-body problem into a 7-body problem, according to Jordan Evans, the project manager. Each flyby exposes Europa Clipper to intense radiation from Jupiter, equivalent to millions of chest X-rays. Scientists are also eager to see if Europa's ice glows in the dark, as some NASA research has suggested, due to this radiation.